Guys, today we're going to demonstrate how to replace your cabin air filter for a Subaru car. This one we have here is a FRAM Fresh Breeze Cabin Air Filter CF10930. It helps clean and refresh the air in your car while reducing odors, dirt, dust, pollution, pollen, and other particles. It also helps to protect your car's heating and air conditioning unit while maintaining efficient airflow. This air filter is compliant with a variety of Subaru models, including Crosstrek, 4-Store WRX, and Impreza. Just make sure to check your model number to make sure this is the correct filter for your Subaru. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this air filter installed. First thing is to extract the old air filter, which is located behind the glove box. Although this air filter takes only a few minutes to replace, the longest part we found was removing the glove box to get to the air filter. But once it's removed, you can slide the air filter out and then insert the new one in. Make sure when inserting the new one that you push it all the way in, and that's pretty much it. That was pretty easy and quick to replace.